For the past 3 years, the world was obsessed with artificial intelligence that lived in servers. We marveled at chatbots, generated images, and coded software with invisible assistants. The conversation was entirely digital. We thought AI was something we typed into. We were wrong. The era of software is ending, and the dawn of physical AI era has arrived. It is not just code anymore, it is metal, it is actuators, it is humanoid robots stepping out of laboratories and into the real world. Welcome to the Great Leap of 2026. In the early 2020s, researchers discovered something profound. The exact same neural network architectures that allowed large language models to understand human text could be used to understand physics, movement, and human space. If a model can predict the next word, it can predict the next physical action. This was the breakthrough. Vision Language Action Models, or VLAs, were born. Instead of programming a robot step-by-step to pick up an apple, you simply show the robot an apple and its neural network figures out the motor controls automatically, just like a human child learning to grasp. Enter the giants. Companies like Tesla, Figure, Boston Dynamics, and Unitree shifted into overdrive. Tesla's Optimus went from a person in a suit to an autonomous factory worker practically overnight. Figure AI secured billions from OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Microsoft to build the ultimate multi-purpose robotic worker, and the demand? Staggering. By mid-2026, autonomous humanoids are no longer science fiction, they are actively being deployed. They are walking the floors of BMW manufacturing plants, Amazon logistics centers, and aerospace assembly lines. They do not take breaks, they do not get tired, they learn collectively. The economics of this shift are simply undeniable. A humanoid robot costs roughly $20,000 to produce, but can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At that scale, the hourly cost of labor plummets to less than $3 an hour. It is a fundamental disruption of the global workforce. But it goes far deeper than factory floors. The vision is significantly more ambitious. Agentic AI, meaning systems that can reason, plan, and execute complex multi-step tasks without human intervention, are being integrated directly into these physical bodies. They are not just following simple loops, they are problem-solving in real time in unpredictable environments. Imagine a robot that can look at a messy kitchen, identify what needs to be cleaned, understand exactly how to handle delicate glass versus heavy pots, and execute the task autonomously. That is no longer a concept video or a controlled demo. That is becoming reality in 2026. The hardware has finally caught up to the software. And this is a global race. China has declared the mass production of humanoid robots as a national strategic priority. They are injecting massive subsidies into robotics companies. It's the new space race, but instead of aiming for the moon, nations are racing to build the ultimate artificial workforce. NVIDIA's Project Groot, a general-purpose foundation model for humanoid robots, became the brain powering this revolution. By standardizing the intelligence layer, any hardware manufacturer could suddenly plug into a world-class robotic brain. It was the Android operating system moment, but for actual physical androids. Yet this rapid acceleration brings profound questions. If physical AI can perform 90% of manual human labor for $3 an hour, what happens to the human worker? We are standing on the precipice of the most significant economic restructuring since the Industrial Revolution. The transition will not be seamless. There will be massive pushback, regulatory battles, deep societal friction. But the floodgates are already fundamentally open. The global supply chains are moving. The neural network models are fully trained. Let us examine the specific hardware breakthroughs extending this reality. The physical limits of traditional robots, like rigid movements and poor battery life, are being shattered. Sodium-ion batteries are replacing lithium-ion, making robots cheaper, safer, and faster to mass produce. Furthermore, tactile sensitivity has been revolutionized. Advanced synthetic skins packed with microsensors allow robots to actually feel pressure, temperature, and texture. A humanoid can differentiate between crushing a steel beam and holding a fragile egg. The precision matches human dexterity. We are witnessing the birth of the personal assistant robot. Just as everyone has a smartphone today, by the end of this decade, having a domestic humanoid robot will be the standard. They will not just build our cars, they will fold our laundry and care for our elderly. This is not a distant timeline. This is unfolding right now in the year 2026. The most valuable companies on the planet are betting everything on physical AI. The digital realm was just the training ground. The real target was always the physical universe. Brace yourself.